Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Mozilla Firefox in your laptop or PC. How to do this? Let's start. Search Firefox in Google search engine using any web browser. On the top of the result you can see here official Mozilla Firefox website. On this web interface you will find download Firefox button. You can see here, click on it. Now Firefox setup will be download after a short time. On a green color you can see here there is a message appear, your download should be automatically. Now you can see here our setup is downloading. Click on three dot on the top right side and click on download option here. Now we can see here our downloading is completed. Now click on show in folder option. To install this setup in our PC or laptop, right click on it and run as administrator. Installation wizard will appear. Now click on install button here. Now this process will take up to 2 minutes almost. Wait until the installation is completed. Now we can see here installation is almost complete. Firefox customization option will appear. Now you can pin your Firefox on your taskbar or you can skip. Now it's up to you what you want. On this tab, you can import your data from other browser like Google Chrome or you can skip also it from here. Customization is almost completed. Now we are free to use Firefox. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in any other video. Goodbye.